Welcome to my garden, guys. Here I have some pumpkin right here, some watermelon, and over here I have some kidney bean. We call them red peas in Jamaica. I have to plant my kidney bean because a girl have to cook rice and peas, red pea soup, and all these things, right? Nevertheless, anytime I have a little spare time, I just head to my garden and plant whatever I like. And over here I have lemongrass. In Jamaica we call it fever grass. And this is very refreshing, a very refreshing tea, right? You could drink it any time of the day. Okay. And here I have some German thyme. It's good to have your thyme to put in all of your pot them where you cook your meat. Thyme is a must, right? And here I have some kale right here. I have some kale. You put this in a smoothie. I was introduced to this here in the USA and I like it. Nevertheless, here I have some lettuce for my salad, and over here I have collard green, right? The good collard green right here. Yes, guys. So this is my little spot when I feel like I want to relax and free my mind. I just head to my garden. Here I have my tomato, and this is called the celebrity tomato. These one are the big one, right? And so I plant two of them in my garden right over here. I have some other one, but nevertheless, these are my tomato. The good Callaloo. You see them green and pretty? Very nice Callaloo. Good for your body, right? And I can't leave out my corn. Of course, corn is a must in my garden. Here I have two corn. I have a lot of hot pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. I have a lot of Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper, right? Here I plant actually about 6 to 7 tree of hot pepper. Nevertheless, here I have my sweet pepper, bell pepper we call it. Yeah, another bell pepper right there. And here I have some mint. Yes, guys, I don't play with my garden. I do my little stuff now and then. And here I have good strawberry. Strawberry is a must. Cause I love strawberry. Get these two nice trees from a friend of mine. Yes, and here I have the cherry tomato. This one is much smaller than the celebrity. It's called cherry tomato. And here is my cucumber. And it's very refreshing to make. You make very refreshing drinks. The cucumber and very nice salad. Yes, guys, so this is just a little tour of my garden. A lot more in store to come when it start to bear all this lovely produce. You guys would see when they start to bear, right?